The first stocks we are going to look at are so-called value stocks. In value investing, you select stocks you believe are undervalued, usually by measuring their price in relation to one or more fundamental business metrics. According to value investors, if a company is cheap relative to its intrinsic value, based on its PE ratio, then the stock price may rise faster than all the other stocks as the price comes back in line with the company's value. So the first one is UWM Holdings Corporation. Under UWM Holdings, a wholesale mortgage lender, residential mortgage loans, including government loans, are originated, sold, and serviced across the United States. UWM employs 8,600 people. Next one, Qurate Retail Incorporated. The company offers e-commerce services worldwide to 218 million households through multiple retail brands. Video and digital commerce services are provided through partnerships with television channels, e-commerce sites, streaming services, social networks, mobile apps, and print catalogs. Next, eBay Incorporated. eBay is an e-commerce company with websites that connect buyers and sellers across 190 countries and regions. The company has approximately 1.5 billion active listings and 150 million active buyers worldwide. eBay reported outstanding performance in the fourth quarter of 2021. With its net income growing 130% year over year on a 5.4% increase in net revenues. The company said that growth in its advertising business and focus categories contributed to performance. Next, Sage Therapeutics Incorporated. The company focuses on diseases and disorders of the brain in key areas such as depression and neurology. Sage Therapeutics is a biopharmaceutical company that develops novel treatments for those with debilitating brain disorders. A number of drugs are being developed by them, including Zulresso, a drug for treating postpartum depression. And now we will look at the fastest growing stocks. EQT Corporation. Its operations are in Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Ohio. As an integrated energy company, EQT is focused on natural gas production in Appalachian areas. It explores for and produces natural gas and natural gas liquids (NGLs). A quarterly cash dividend of $0.125 per share has been declared by EQT. It will be paid on March 1st to shareholders of record by February 14th. Next, Upstart Holding Incorporated. Upstart Holdings is a lending platform that uses artificial intelligence to evaluate potential borrowers' creditworthiness. Upstart employs machine learning to examine more variables than traditional credit risk assessments, claiming that the increased accuracy of this method will allow banks to lend to more borrowers with less risk. Next, Boston Properties Incorporated. Located across 5 states, Boston Properties develops, owns, and manages Class A office buildings in Boston, Los Angeles, New York, San Francisco, Seattle, and Washington, D.C. The company currently owns 202 buildings, totaling 52 million square feet. And the next, Digital Realty Trust Incorporated. The company manages and owns technology-related properties, including data centers, colocation centers, and interconnection facilities. It has more than 280 data centers in 26 countries. And the next stocks type is momentum stocks. Factor-based investing strategy, called momentum investing, involves buying a stock whose price has risen faster than that of the entire market. Momentum investors believe that stocks that have outperformed the market will often continue to outperform because the factors that have caused them to outperform will not vanish overnight. Furthermore, other investors looking to profit from the stock's outperformance will frequently purchase the stock, driving the price even higher. And these are the stocks with the highest 12-month total return. Devon Energy. Devon Energy is a privately held exploration and production company for oil and natural gas. It has a portfolio of assets in the United States and is primarily involved in the exploration, development and production of oil, natural gas and natural gas liquids. As of December 2020, the company had 1,400 employees in the United States. The next one is Continental Resources Incorporated. Continental Resources is an exploration and production firm for oil and natural gas. It holds the most leases and is one of the largest producers in the North Dakota and Montana Basin oil field region. Also, as of December 2020, the company had 1,200 employees in the US. And the last one for today, Targa Resources. Targa Resources provides midstream and natural gas and NGL services, including gathering, compressing, treating, processing, transporting, and selling natural gas, NGLs, and crude oil. It has two main divisions: gathering and processing, and logistics and transportation. As you hopefully know, this is not a professional consultant advice. So if you want to invest in a stock, you have to do an intense research by your own. After that's been said, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.